What's good? It's your boy John. I'm here at Universal Studios Hollywood, and I'm here for another Nintendo World, or Super Nintendo World, I should say, update. And let's check it out. I haven't been here in a while, actually, and haven't seen the progress in a while, so figured I'd check in on it and also make a little video and see how things are going. So let's zoom on in, see what the differences are from the last update that I put out. Actually, probably a while ago, probably about a month ago now, at least. Okay, so it looks like a lot of the facade work is done. A lot of the drywall, or the walls that have been going up, that you can see over there in the back with that blue tint to it. Don't see too much framework anymore, so that's good to see. It means that they'll start working on the outside facades really soon at this point. You can see here they got a spire build and it looks to be covered at the top, so that looks to be almost complete with the framework, and they'll start building that part up soon. As far as the outside goes, all the walls are up along the outside and along the tram route that I noticed as well. We got some workers over here that are actually going into the Mario Kart show building. Don't see too much changed with that. Also, the entrance pipe to the land hasn't received any work either, but yeah, for the most part, things are coming along. Let's get on down there and try and get some closer angles of it. So making my way down to the lower lot, I wanted to stop here and get another view of the land from here. You can get a more closer shot of everything. You can see the spires, which is going to be most likely the retail over there. And you have the Mario Kart ride over this section. Bowser's Castle should be right there. Looks like they got a lot of scaffolding up around the spires of those as well. So that should start taking shape in a minute now as well. Yeah, things are coming along. It did get pushed back a bit, but they are steady working on it. I could tell there's been a lot of progress since I've last checked in. So that's good to see. Well, I'll try and see if there's anything else to see down there. If not, we'll check in next week.